What's up my sugies? Ashley here, and in today's video I have another amazing figs scrub haul for you. Today it is all about the new shade Mandarin, and I had to pull over in order to order these scrubs because they were selling out so fast. Thankfully, my husband notified me, so I had a couple of minutes to get off of the road and to get into my email in order to do this because I could not believe how fast things were selling out. So Figs decided to do this big launch of the Olympian colors, the red, white, and blue. So I decided, you know what, red is one of my most favorite colors, especially in clothing. I already have a few shades of the blue, and the white would be dirty before I even put it on my body. So I decided to get every style of red that I possibly could get my hands on, and thankfully I was able to get 2 different style shirts and 2 different style pants. Now keep in mind they only launched so many styles per color. I believe there was only one other pant that was available style wise, and maybe 1 or 2 other top styles, so there weren't a ton to choose from, but I grabbed the ones that I knew would look good on me, and I grabbed the sizes closest to my size because my regular sizes weren't even available. Thank God they fit, and I'm still able to wear them. So if you are interested in seeing this Figs haul of their new Mandarin color, then just keep watching. Alright you guys, here is the first set, and this is the Mandarin color. This style is my absolute favorite. I was able to pick up 2 different styles, but this is the Rafaela top and the Zamora jogger. I love the way that this style looks in this color, and I hope that this camera is picking up just how beautiful and luxe this color is. It is the most amazing shade of red. It not only is beautiful because I feel like it would look great on every single skin tone, but I love it because I feel like it's a nice shade of red and it's not going to hinder what season it is. And by that I mean it doesn't matter if it's summer, spring, fall, or winter, this is still going to look like a nice red. It's not too deep to where it looks like it's only supposed to be for fall, or too bright to where it only looks like it's supposed to be for spring. It is a true red color and it is amazing. Now, as far as sizing goes, I got my typical sizes in the Rafaela top. I was able to snag an extra small. The only drawback was in both of the pants, I did have to get a tall length. Now, in the Yola, I feel like there was a little bit of difference, but as far as the Zamora, I feel like it didn't make that big of a difference at all. I will say on the plus side, because I did get the tall, it did make the rise a little bit higher. So I feel like it's not as much of a mid-rise, it's more of a full rise, which I'm completely okay with because everybody knows how much I love a high-rise pant. This is the classic Zamora jogger. I love the Zamora jogger. If you are not familiar with it, it is a classic pant that I feel like suits everyone's body style, no matter what size or shape you are. It's so flattering. I love this because a couple of reasons. One, it is a higher rise. It's not a super high rise, but it is a higher rise. It hits right below your belly button. I do love the fact that it has this nice thick band here on the waist, so it's going to give you a little bit of added support. And it does go all the way around. It does have an adjustable drawstring that is in a nice light shade of gray. And then as far as the pants go on the bottom, as you can see here, they do have a nice thick band, so you do not have to worry about this jogger digging into you at all. Now, keeping in mind with my height and weight, I am right under 5'8" and 145 pounds. I usually wear a size 4 or 27 in jeans, and this is how this more jogger fits. I do feel like the small is a perfect size for me. I do have a little bit of room here in the waist, and again, I'm completely okay with that. I can do the regular length or the tall length, as you can see here. So if you are near my height and they only have the tall available, I would say go ahead and grab it because you can always return it, worst case scenario. Now, as far as the top, I have tried the small and the extra small, and their tops do run big. I do not like the small. I like the extra small. Like I said, I've tried the small and it's just way too big. This is the extra small and I think it fits perfect. In particular, the Rafaela, of course, it's going to be a little bit more oversized because that's the style. As you can see here, pulled out, this is what the top looks like. It's a little bit more blousey, but again, I like that. It does have the two billow pockets on the side and then the nice oversized cap sleeve, and then the neckline is beautiful because it is extremely modern and sleek. It's just kind of like a nice big slit, and then it does have one button if you do not want to show any décolleté or your sports bra underneath or whatever bra you have on. I do love it because it is a little bit of a high-low and it scoops in the side here, so it's going to be longer in the back and cover most of your rear as well as the front. It's going to cover pretty much everything. And then it's nice and flattering because, like I said, it does scoop up on the side here, so it's going to give you that nice shape. This paired with the Zamora jogger for me is perfection because you have something that's tapered on the bottom and then more blousey on the top. So if you want to have a nice tapered pant, but you don't want to be too tapered, or you want to be a little bit more conservative, this is a great alternative for you because that kind of brings in the conservative look and the full coverage. It's not anything too tight or too revealing. So that's a good option for you to have as well. Now, they usually do really nice pops of color in their corresponding ties, but because this is such a bright color, I'm assuming that's why they decided on just the regular nice light gray color, which I am not mad at. I think it's beautiful and a beautiful touch altogether. As far as pockets on this pant, they do have the two pockets on the side here. They have no pockets on this leg, and then one zipper pocket on your right leg to put whatever you need in. And then on the back, they do have two pockets as well right on the rear. This to me is your quintessential scrub outfit. I don't think it gets any better than this as far as fit, feel, and fabric. I do want to mention this is not a sponsored video. I do not have any coupon codes. I wish that I did, but I don't. But I just am an avid believer in fig scrubs because I have tried every scrub on the market and I've always come back to this. As far as returns and purchases, I do want to mention, because a lot of you have asked in the comments on my YouTube videos and some of the other figs videos that I posted about fit and return, I am happy to give you my advice on what size I feel would work best for you. However, if that does not work out, they are super forgiving about returns and exchanges. So they offer you a return label at no cost to you, so you can exchange it for another size or completely return it for a full refund with no additional shipping charges. So that for me is always a game changer because, you know, like in this case, I could only get the tall. I don't know if it's going to fit. So I got, you know, multiple sizes, multiple styles, and then whatever didn't work, I just returned and it was no problem whatsoever. So for me, that's a really big selling point. Customer service is key, and the fact that they offer that is amazing. So this is the Mandarin color in the Rafaela top and Zamora jogger, and I'm going to show you the other style that I got next. All right, you guys, here is the second set, and this is the classic Katarina top and the Yola pant. And again, like I said, I did get this in the tall, so you can see the difference here in length. It is, I would say, about an inch to an inch and a half longer than the standard. I personally am okay with that because I like how it puddles over the shoe a little bit. I don't like it to be cropped, so it does work for me. But if that's not something you like or are comfortable with, then you can see what the tall looks like on someone who's right under 5'8". As far as the rise, I do feel like this is a little bit of a higher rise given that it is the tall length. So I think those kind of go hand in hand with one another. And then of course the classic Katarina top I love, and I just think that it is a staple in everyone's closet because of the classic deep V, the classic one pocket, the classic sleeves. It's just an all-around great shirt that fits your needs for absolutely everything. You can wear it tucked into the pants. You can wear it untucked, which I will show you as well. You can do a front tuck. It's just a very versatile shirt. And I also love it because similar to the Rafaela top, it is longer in length. So as you can see here, it comes almost all the way down on the hips. And then on the sides, it does have that classic slit here. So you do not have to worry about it bunching up. In the back, it does come up right, as you can see there, about midway to the pocket, so it does cover a good amount in the back as well. The ties on these pants are the same as the very nice light gray color, which I think is perfectly fine. And like I said, if you wanted to give a little front tuck, it looks super cute as well. As far as pockets go, this style of pant does have a lot more to offer as far as pockets. There are two here on this leg, as you can see here, just kind of stacked on top of one another, and they're slip pockets. And then on this pant, there is one rather large zip pocket. And then I believe this is a new addition because I didn't have this on my old ones. There is like a pen slip pocket here as well, so that must be a new addition. And then on the back, there are, of course, as a classic, two pockets. Now, the biggest difference between this pant and the Zamora jogger is, as you can see, there is an elastic band here in the back to give a little bit more of a customized fit for the rear. And as you come around to the front, it does stop right here on the side, and then it is the flat panel in the front. So that is the biggest difference as far as waist. And then of course, if you still need additional adjusting, there is an adjustable tie at the front, and it does actually adjust a good amount. I tend to need it adjusted, as the small in the Yola pant is a little bit big in the waist on me personally. I think this is a classic, another classic you can add to your closet as far as style goes. I think it goes with just about everything. You can mix and match. If you don't want to go too jogger style, this is a great addition to your collection as well, because it does have just, I'd say, more of a straight leg. So not a skinny, but not a boot cut. So it's just more of a straight leg fit. I do not know at this point if they will be bringing them back. I would like to know that information as well. If you can, please leave that in the comments down below. I love this color and hope that they bring it back, because last time I checked, a lot of the sizes were sold out. So if you can get your hands on these, it is an amazing color, and I think everyone should have it in their figs collection. As far as sizes, once again, I did get this in a small tall bottom, and I got the Katarina in a extra small. Like I said before, have gotten the extra small and the small, and the top definitely runs big. I like to get an extra small on the top, and as you can see, I still have plenty of room. So the tops do run big, the bottoms are true to size. All right, you guys, that completes this fig scrub haul. I hope you guys enjoyed the new amazing color that figs came out with, and seeing them on the body to see which style works best for you. Please leave a comment down below on any other videos you guys want to see. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit that post notification bell so you guys can be notified every time I upload new videos. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye.